So when running a business, safeguarding your operations with a custom set of terms and conditions isn't just advisable, it's absolutely essential. Now, while I'm going to give you a copy of the terms of business that we use so that you can use them in your business, I really think that you should appoint a solicitor before using them. After all, these terms of business were set up to protect my business and not yours. So let's explore why professional guidance makes all the difference. Now, a solicitor will tailor your terms to provide a robust legal protection system tailored specifically to your business needs. And while your business needs might be just like mine, the matter of fact is that those terms may not be completely relevant, or worse, they may not be completely reliable. Now, I have paid for them to be made specific to my business, and who's to say my solicitor hasn't missed something important? Now, arguably, I do rely on my terms for millions of pounds worth of business, and so I do believe them to be right and upholding, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't have them checked. Now, your terms must comply with the latest laws and clearly outline the business policies specific to your payment terms, projected delivery terms, whether it's quality or right to dispute, and the process that should be followed in each of these cases. Now, I know that I've relied on my terms multiple times when it comes to difficult conversations, and I would always want to ensure they're well written, clear and concise. And this precision is really what avoids disputes and helps build trust with your customers. So I think that incorporating a dispute resolution and liability clause reduces risk and protects the business from potential legal challenges. And ultimately, what I'm saying is this: don't leave your business exposed. Professional terms crafted by solicitors are your best defense and assurance for a secure business future. Use mine by all means, but I do strongly suggest that you pay for your own terms to be drafted professionally. Anyway, that's it for this video, and you can download them below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.